Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mastering English Literature. It's a new channel and I have started it for the benefit of the literature lovers who want to crack competitive exams like TGT, PGT, the upcoming LT grade exams, and also for GIC. So I have started a new series uh, in order to help the students. In the morning I have given one first series and it had around 10 points, and those 10 points, they are very beneficial to your study, and it will add definitely something to your study. These are the most of the questions are frequently asked in the examinations. So continuing the series, this is series second, and again I'll be giving you around 10 to 11 most important points from the point of view of your exams. So have a look on it. The first point: who started the printing press in England? So this is one of the most important questions. It is generally asked that who was the one who started printing press in England? So it was William Caxton. William Caxton started the printing press, and he started the press at Westminster. Westminster is the name of the place where he set up his printing press, and the year is 1476. So you have three questions. Who started the printing press? It is William Caxton. Where he set up his first printing press? At Westminster. And in which year the printing press was started? It is 1476. Okay, so you have three questions in one point. Now come to the next point. Which was the first book printed in English? So William Caxton, he printed around 800 books in English, but as we all know, the first is always important. So the History of Troy was the first book that was printed in English. So it is generally asked in your exams, which is the first book? So it is the History of Troy. Now come to the third point. Thomas More's Utopia came out in which year? As we all know, Thomas More Utopia, it was earlier written in Latin. It was first written in which language? Latin. In the year 1516. Okay, so generally the question is also formed like this, that when is Thomas More's Utopia came out? It came out in 1516. Then the next question is, who translated More's Utopia in English? So More's Utopia is translated by Ralph Robinson, and often you are asked the year also. So it is 1551. The most important question: who translated More's Utopia in English? More's Utopia is translated by Ralph Robinson in the year 1551. So earlier Utopia was written in Latin in 1516. Then it was translated in English by Ralph Robinson in the year 1551. So you have two questions. Next we have Tottel's Miscellany. Tottel's Miscellany, it is also known as Songs and Sonnets. So this is the other name of Tottel's Miscellany, and it came out in the year 1557. Okay. Next point. The gunpowder plot occurred in 1605. It's 1605. Its T is not there. Okay. Next. The Globe Theatre was built in the year 1599. Very important. The Globe Theatre, Globe is the name of a theatre, very popular, very famous during the Elizabethan period. Okay, and Shakespeare was associated with the Globe Theatre. So when was it built? It was built in 1599. Just mug up this date, it is extremely important. It's 1599. Now, the Globe Theatre burnt down in the year. So this date is also important. The Globe Theatre burnt down in the year 1613. And what was the play going on when it was burned down? It was Henry VIII. So the play which was being performed during the time when the globe the play that was being performed at that time was Henry the Eighth. Come to the next point. The Globe Theatre was rebuilt in the year. So after it was burned down, the Globe Theatre was rebuilt in the year 1614. Okay. Who is known as the Anglo-Saxon Milton? We all know John Milton, but the Anglo-Saxon Milton is Caedmon. Now the last point is, this is also one of the most important questions. This is the name of the book. Who wrote the Ecclesiastical History of the English People? It's the name of the book, and it was written by Venerable Bede. Okay. So the Ecclesiastical History of the English People, this book is written by Venerable Bede. Yes, you have to mark up. So this is a set of again 10 or 11 questions that will be of crucial importance for your study. It will definitely add something to your studies. Please go through it, memorize them, and they will definitely help you. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.